Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share your Instagram story on WhatsApp in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap your profile icon at the top. Now, scroll through and select the photo or video you want to add to your story. Make any changes you like. Add text, music, or filters. Once you're happy with it, tap your story to share. It will take a few seconds to post. Next, tap the WhatsApp icon. This will redirect you to the status page in WhatsApp. Tap the side arrow icon to share the story as your WhatsApp status. It might take a few seconds to upload. To verify, open the WhatsApp app and tap the Updates icon. Then tap My Status, and you'll see your story there. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Instagram story on WhatsApp. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.